Hi guys, so if your chart is stretched in your TradingView app and you don't know how to do this, you're scrolling something like this. To fix it, what you can do, the best way is just right click on it whenever this happens and just click on reset chart view. You can also press Alt plus R. This is a hotkey. Just click on it and that's it. The chart will be again reset. One more trick to do this when it is not working is make sure this auto fits data to screen is selected. If it is not selected, what happens that sometimes chart gets too stretched and you are unable to do this. So hover your mouse and select it, and then you can easily scroll back and scroll again for the data. Thanks for watching. Please do like.